Platelets or thrombocytes are the formed elements of the blood. Platelets are small, colorless, non-nucleated, and moderately refractive bodies, and these formed elements of the blood are considered to be the fragment of cytoplasm. Size of platelets is diameter is 2.5 micron, whereas volume is 7.5 cubic micron. Shape of the platelets. Normally, platelets are the several shape, spherical or rod-shaped, and becomes oval or disc-shaped when inactivated. Sometimes the platelets have dumbbell shape, comma shape, cigar shape, or any other unusual shape. Inactivated platelets are without processes of filopodia, and activated platelets develop processes or filopodia. Platelets is constituted by cell membrane or surface membrane, microtubules, cytoplasm. Cell membrane of the platelets is 6 nanometer thick. Extensive invagination of cell membrane forms an open canalicular system, and this system is delicate tunnel system through which the platelets granules exudate their content. These membrane of platelets contains lipids in the form of phospholipids, cholesterol, and glycolipids. Carbohydrates as glycocalyx and glycoproteins and proteins. Of these substances, glycoproteins and phospholipids are functionally important. Glycoproteins prevent the adhesion of platelets to normal endothelium but accelerate the adherence of platelets to collagen and damaged endothelium in unruptured blood vessels. These cells also form the receptor of adenosine diphosphate (ADP) and thrombin. Phospholipids accelerate the clotting reaction. The phospholipids form the precursor of the thromboxane A2 and other prostaglandin related substances. Microtubules form a ring around the cytoplasm below the cell membrane. Microtubules are made up of polymerized protein called tubulin. These tubulins provide structural support of the inactivated platelets to maintain the disc-like shape. Cytoplasm of the platelets contains the cellular organism Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, microtubules, microvessels, filament, and granules. Cytoplasm also contains some chemical substances such as proteins, enzymes, hormonal substances. Proteins, contractile proteins, actin and myosin contractile proteins, which are responsible for the contraction of the platelets, thrombostenin, third contraction protein, which is reversible, responsible for the clot retraction, von Willebrand factor. These are the responsible for the plasma level of the factor A, and fibrin stabilizing factor, a clotting factor, platelets derived growth factor, PDGF, responsible for to repair of damaged blood vessels and wound healing, and it is potent myotogen for smooth muscle fibers of blood vessels. Platelet activating factor causing aggregation of the platelets during the injury of the blood vessels. resulting the prevention of excessive loss of blood. Vitronectin promotes adhesion iron of platelets and spreading of tissue cells culture. Thrombospondin, it is formation of the newly blood vessels from pre-existing vessels. Enzymes, adenosine triphosphate, ATPase, enzymes necessary for the synthesis of prostaglandins, inorganic substances such as the calcium, copper, magnesium, and iron. Platelets, granules present in the cytoplasm of platelets are two types. Alpha granules. These granules are contains clotting factor, fibrinogen 5 and 8, platelet-derived growth factor, vascular endothelium growth factor, basic fibroblast growth factor, endostain, thrombospondin, dense granules contains nucleotide, serotonin, phospholipids, calcium, lysosomes. Normal platelets count is 2.5 lakhs to cubic millimeter of blood, and it ranges in between 2 to 4 lakhs per cubic millimeter of blood. Physiological variations: platelets are less in the infant, 1.5 to 2.0 cubic lakh to 2 lakh cubic millimeter, and reached normal level of third month of the birth. There is sex. There is no difference in the platelets count between male and female. In the female, it is reduced during the menstruation. High altitude platelets count increases after meals, after taking food. The platelet count increases. Platelets have three important properties: adhesive, aggregation, agglutination. Adhesive is the property of the sticking of to a rough surface during injury of the blood vessels, endothelium damaged, and the subendothelial collagen is exposed. While coming in contact with collagen, platelets are activated and adhere to collagen. Addition of platelets involves interaction between von Willebrand factor secreted by damaged endothelium and receptor proteins called glycoprotein situated on the surface of the platelets membrane. Other factors of which accelerate adhesiveness are collagen, thrombin, ADP, thromboxane A2, calcium ion P, selection, and vitronectin. Normally, platelets are the inactive and execute their action only when activated platelets immediately release many substances, and these process is known as the platelet release reaction. Functions of the platelets are carried out by these substances. Function of the platelets are a role in blood clotting. Platelets are responsible for the formation of the intrinsic protein means activator. This substance is responsible for the onset of the blood clotting. In the blood cells, including the platelets, are entrapped in between the fibrin threads. Cytoplasm and platelets contains the contractile proteins, namely action, myosin, and thrombospin, which are the responsible for the clot retraction. Role in the prevention of the blood loss, hemostasis. Platelets accelerate the hemostasis by the three ways. Platelets secreted 5-HT, which causes the constriction of blood vessels, and due to the adhesive property. The platelets seal the damage in blood vessels like capillaries. By formation of the temporary plug, the platelets seal the damage in the blood vessels. Namaste. Hope, I hope you will satisfy my digital version 2 session. Topic is platelets. If you are not satisfied, if you are having any questions, please mention in the mention box. Thanking you. Thank you very much.